Halo. Dusmu, dusmu. Ila. Iyan na, flu. It's so energetic today. Arit! No, no, no. The horse today is very energetic because I think it's because of the weather. It's quite cold. It's 4 degrees. Arit, jellyfishy. I don't know what is going on with him, Papa. You don't imagine how busy. I need some 10 minutes. It's okay for you? Hi guys! My horse, horse of my daughter is so energetic and sometimes I afraid to be kicked. We are 25 of, no, 26 of November. We are in Normandy. The weather it's really quite cold. It's 4 degree. That's why in my opinion they keep on running then after it's so energetic. This forest here at the back, it's a public forest. They are fat, huh? If we have by video dito. Ayun, go balik ko na. Okay. White dirty this, baby. Okay.
Salut Shabbat.
Lippy, wear my belt. Of course, how could we can run without closing the door? Can you help me first, Siri? Thank you.
Regarde, tu regardes papa, ça va.
Oh, it's very, very
You're in good health, mama.
no, what I mean, we give only carrot for the moment, no?
No, it's no need to keep.
Actually, I would no
They are
need that.
fat.
It's just, very, very fat.
I will go there and make you turn there. Then you can.
It's no more mushroom now, Siri.
No.
It's finished.
It's finished. Oh,
And papa, you cannot go anymore now, mama.
no ba? Arito palikam sa. We don't go because it's very humid and we don't catch any mushroom. I like the color of the tree.
No, it's nice, the color of the tree.
Oh, you know the leaves, become orange.
You see the land, mama, it's very humid. It's looking like a swimming pool.
This one anyway, I don't need to make ano papa. Video is even is no signal. Now is 5 p.m. in Philippines. It's 7 hours difference.
Yeah,
Consider as still.
it's 4:30 p.m.
It's no more really people search for a mushroom. 7 degrees. I'm online already, but it's not ano, I will put it in the iPad so that the cellphone is free. You understand, baby? Today you want
Mama,
me?
you have to tell to your friend if they go to Intermarché, they have to collect, you know, the card.
Which card?
Not one of the soccer because I collect that.
Yeah, but you don't have Intermarché in Paris. Man.
They have Intermarché in Paris,
Yeah,
but
but
my
really,
friend, they are not.
They don't go to Intermarché, your friend. Your friend, they go to Lidl or
La
Aldi.
Défense direct.
Yeah, Aldi or
Auchan.
Lidl, Auchan.
It's complete. Don't worry, we will go after the match. We can walk around, see, repeat it.
But no, because you have 1 hour before the next. No, but we don't have nothing to buy this time. Yesterday she's lucky again. One person in our front don't take the card, and then she give us the
How
card.
many lacking you have for your collection?
26 only.
And the total is how many?
100.
Oh, eh?
We have already 70. Many doubles we have.
Long time already your horse don't eat up one.
Yeah, but we don't have to give them, you know, they are healthy, huh?
They're very fat, Mama.
Not only fat, they are.
They need to run.
Yeah, they run. They are
They
healthy.
run nga. I'm quite afraid even because ay.
No. It's because Jolie Fusée now she don't let Java take over. Yeah.
I don't know your tongtong. It's here. Do the fishing and nobody know.
Tomorrow he will be here. Oh, he catch a many brochet, he told me. And his brother 3 brochet last week.
I like to do it by myself to have some excited to
Yeah,
pull.
but it's cold.
Huh?
It's
Big?
cold. It's cold, Yagi. Waiting.
No, but I just watch Windy go fishing.
Yeah, okay, but it's good. We will
Hi guys, thank you very much for watching. What you will see, Mishri?
No, tomorrow we can pass, but you have your.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Tita Yagi channel. Thank you. Bye bye.